Now, there will be times where you do not have a table, and you will have to create a table using a graph that's given to you. Now let's take a look at the graph that's given to us. And this graph is talking about the number of days a car is rented to the total cost of the rental. And we want to, of course, write an equation for this relationship. So if I take a look at the graph, I know for sure the days, this is my X and this is my Y. Now let's take a look. If I created my table, X is the days and Y is the cost. Let's take a look. We're only going to do the dot because those are what makes this a proportional graph. So looking at 0 days, it's going to cost us $0. Well, obviously, you're not spending any money. Now, let's take a look. 1, 2, 3 days, it's going to cost us. So 3 days is going to cost us $100. Next, we go on to this here, and that is 6 days, and it's going to cost us $200. And we keep going. So here, that's 9. And we go all the way across, that's 300. So every 9 days, it's going to cost us $300 total. And then we have 12 days. And in 12 days, it's going to cost us $400. And at last, 15, 16, 17, 18 days, it's going to cost us $600. Now we need to figure out the constant of proportionality or the unit rate. They're the same thing. And remember, our equation is y equal kx. And do we know what k is? Well, no, we don't. We need to figure out what k is. And remember, k is equal to y over x. And this is what you guys learned last year. And looking at my y number to my x number, we know that this one will not count. We have $100 for every 3 days. So I'm just going to fill this in as y equal x, which is $100 every 3 days. And that's going to equal $33 and about a third. My next number would be 200 over 6, and that still equal 33 over 1 of 33 and 1/3. We have, so we're done with this one and this one. Now we have 300 over 9, and that's going to equal 33 and 1/3. We have $400 for every 12 days, and that's going to be 33 and 1/3. And our last one is $600 for 18 days, and that's going to be $33 and 1/3. So we know for sure k is equal to these numbers here, and since they're all exactly the same because they are constant, and meaning that the rate of every rental is the same per day, y equals 33 1/3 x. X is the amount of days, and y is going to be what the total cost will be.